Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're stepping into something massive, elegant, and built to redefine what luxury on wheels truly means. This is the 2026 Scania Motorhome, a masterpiece that blurs the line between a vehicle and a five-star hotel. Scania has always been known for building trucks that conquer continents, but this time, they've turned their engineering brilliance toward the art of luxury travel. And the result is a motorhome that doesn't just take you places, it transforms the journey itself into an experience of power, comfort, and freedom. The first thing you feel when you see it is pure dominance. The 2026 Scania Motorhome towers with presence, bold lines, a gleaming grille, and that unmistakable Scania emblem shining like a badge of authority. The design is both muscular and refined. The headlights feature laser beam LED technology that cuts through the night like daylight, while the massive panoramic windshield gives the driver a commanding view of the world ahead. Air intakes have been reshaped for efficiency, and the entire body flows with aerodynamic precision, despite its sheer size. It looks like a rolling fortress of luxury, strong, confident, and impossibly beautiful. The side panels feature seamless flush-mounted windows, and the lower trim is wrapped in brushed aluminum, giving it a sleek, high-end finish. But what's truly jaw-dropping is the transformation that happens when you park. With the touch of a button, the entire living module expands outward on both sides, turning the cabin into a wide, open suite that could rival a modern apartment. The attention to engineering here is stunning. Silent electric slide-outs extend with smooth precision, locking into place perfectly, expanding your living space at the push of a button. Step inside, and it feels like entering a luxury penthouse on wheels. The interior is pure Scandinavian sophistication, a perfect blend of minimalism, craftsmanship, and comfort. Natural oak accents line the walls, soft LED ambient lighting glows through hidden panels, and the floor is finished in polished stone-textured vinyl that feels like marble under your feet. The living area opens up to a full-sized lounge with a reclining sofa, a 55-inch OLED smart TV, and a panoramic skylight above that floods the cabin with natural light during the day and stars at night. To your right, the kitchen area feels straight out of a high-end apartment. It features induction cooktops, a stainless steel refrigerator, hidden storage drawers, and even an espresso machine built into the wall. Every control is smart, temperature, lighting, and appliances are all operated via a digital touchscreen or voice command. The materials are premium, brushed aluminum finishes, soft close drawers, and a matte stone countertop that doesn't just look elegant, it feels solid. Move further back, and you find the master suite, and this is where the Scania Motorhome truly flexes its luxury. A queen-sized bed sits in the center with a memory foam mattress, ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood, and climate control vents built into the headboard. The walls are covered in soft-touch materials, and sound insulation ensures absolute silence even when the engine is running. You can watch movies, control the curtains, or dim the lights, all from the built-in touchscreen near the bed. It's pure comfort on the move. Then there's the bathroom, yes, a full bathroom, not a compact one. You get a rainfall shower with glass doors, a ceramic sink, and a smart water recycling system that conserves and purifies water for long-distance travel. There's also a washer-dryer combo unit, and the whole setup feels like it belongs in a boutique hotel rather than a vehicle. Under the floor lies a technical marvel. The 2026 Scania Motorhome is powered by a V8 hybrid diesel-electric engine producing over 600 horsepower and an enormous 3,000 Nm of torque. This thing pulls like a mountain lion but runs with the quiet precision of a luxury limousine. The hybrid system allows for silent electric operation for shorter city drives, while the diesel kicks in for long hauls with unmatched efficiency. Despite its massive size, Scania's engineers have made it surprisingly efficient, delivering impressive mileage for its class. The ride quality is something you need to feel to believe. Thanks to Scania's new adaptive air suspension, every bump and vibration is smoothed out. Whether you're driving on highways or rough countryside terrain, the motorhome glides effortlessly, keeping everything inside stable and silent. The steering feels precise, visibility is perfect, and the adaptive cruise control with radar sensors makes long-distance travel almost effortless. Safety, as always, is a top priority. The 2026 Scania Motorhome comes equipped with a 360-degree camera system, automatic emergency braking, blind spot radar, lane keep assist, and advanced collision mitigation systems. There's even a driver fatigue monitor that reads micro-expressions and gently alerts you if it detects signs of tiredness. This is the kind of attention to safety and intelligence that defines Scania's DNA. Now, let's talk about the price, because luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Scania Motorhome starts around $850,000, and with customization options, it can easily cross the $1 million mark. But for what you get, power, engineering, craftsmanship, and the freedom to take your home anywhere, it's worth every penny for those who can afford it. This is not just transportation. It's a statement. It's saying you don't travel to escape life, you travel to live it. The 2026 Scania Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle built for the dreamers, the travelers, and the road kings who believe the journey is where life truly happens. Every curve, every sound, every inch of this masterpiece reflects Scania's century-long commitment to excellence and innovation. It's where technology meets tranquility, where every mile feels like a story, and every destination feels like home. So, if you're someone who dreams of waking up to new horizons, who loves the road but refuses to compromise on comfort, the Scania Motorhome might just be the definition of your freedom. This is what the future of luxury travel looks like: bold, powerful, and endlessly inspiring. If you enjoyed this cinematic review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more epic motorhome and camper reviews. Let me know in the comments, if you own the 2026 Scania Motorhome, where would your first destination be? The open road is waiting, and now, it's wrapped in luxury.